Baby, you don't know what you do to me.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Zodiac, and I'm back with another video. As you already see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys this wig that I got from UNice hair company. I rarely rave about wigs, but y'all, this wig was everything and more. I literally had to do nothing to it. I'm so excited to get into it. This is their new 7x5 Byebyeknots fluffy loose wave curtain bang wigs. I got it in a 180 density and 24 inches. And y'all, it is so nice. It's completely glueless, but let's get into the packaging. So this is everything that they sent over. They always send all the goodies and stuff that you need. We're gonna come back to the wig, but they sent me over wig caps, a wig band, and they also sent over a nice edge brush. Just super cool because it had two ends to it. But this is the wig, and y'all, this wig came curled for you. Who is doing, y'all, the wig was completely curled all the way for you. Literally the perfectest barrel curls you can imagine were already put in the wig, and it comes with a roller inside of the bang to keep it nice and curled. I thought that was super cool. As soon as I saw the curls, I was already very eager to put the wig on, and it was glueless, so that was definitely a plus. Here's a better shot at all of the curls, and let's get into the install. So firstly, I'm gonna apply a wig cap to my head. I'm not even gonna do the ball cap method just because I didn't find it necessary because it is a bang wig. So I just kind of just put the wig cap on and slid it back just to make it look a little more natural to protect my hair. So as you see, the knots on the wig are already bleached. We love that because that just makes it even more natural and the install even better. And this is the cap and the construction of the wig. Very stretchy, and I feel like it would fit multiple sizes because it does have an elastic band and very adjustable. But can we get into those knots because they're super yellow and literally perfect. Like, I love that. Firstly, I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the shade 11, and I'm going to apply that all over my wig cap. Being that I didn't do a ball cap method, I want to make sure that I try to disguise this as best as possible. Once I have done that, I'm going to apply that same makeup to the wig. Now I'm going to apply the wig to my head. I'm going to make sure it's adjusted on all sides so that it fits comfortably on my head. So here I'm just kind of adjusting the elastic band and making everything nice and smooth and getting it in alignment so it don't look crazy. So I already take my wide tooth comb and I'm going ahead and combing out the curls because I'm kind of get the vision. I've never had bangs. This is literally the first time, so I really wanted to make sure that this came out really nice and really good. So I'm just combing those curls out. Now I'm gonna take the bang out, as you see, and I feel like it gave the perfect like fringy, frilly bang. It wasn't super thick. It was literally like they did the bang so good. I feel like a lot of times you see bangs, sometimes they're too thick or they're like choppy. I feel like these gave like the perfect little feathered look. So I'm just combing through them and trying to figure out exactly what I want to do with the hair. But honestly, it was already given already. Like, it looks like I did this with my hands. No, it came out the box like this. Also, a plus is it's glueless, and because it's bang, you don't have to really worry about too much melting it. Completely glueless. I love that, and it's also very comfortable. I love that these new glueless wigs are having that comfort around the ear. They used to be kind of straight across, but now they're kind of tailored to round around the ear to make it way more comfortable. So I love that. It's no tightness or itchiness around the ear. It doesn't even touch my ear, and I'm happy about that. And this is the back, so very natural in the back and comfortable as well. Okay, so after initial install, I'm going to go in and apply a little bit more layers just to give it that Farrah Fawcett look even more all the way around. This is completely optional. As y'all saw, it looked good before, but I wanted it to give like 70s, big hair, big look. Like, that's what I wanted. So I did go in and apply a couple more layers. Literally no method to this. I'm literally just picking out hair and starting at the very top, as y'all see, and giving it a very heavy layered look throughout, not just the front. I could sit in here and talk about this hair all day, y'all. It was just so flawless. I feel like the more I cut, the more I styled, it just got so much better. It was already very fresh. They wanted me to re-curl the wig, but honestly, I did not want to bother the natural essence and curl of the hair because I wanted to show you guys it straight out of the box. I actually got another one of these wigs and it was nowhere near as good as this. This is literally the best bang wig that I have tried by far. So major up to UNice for actually mastering this. I didn't feel like I wanted to do anything to the wig. It was literally perfect. I didn't feel the need to curl it. It just came so good. And this gonna be my like bad hair day wig. When I need something to do with my hair, I'm like, oh, I don't feel like doing nothing to it. I'm just gonna throw this wig on because it's so effortless and so convenient. It doesn't take no work at all. Literally, I didn't have to speed up none of this video. What y'all see me doing is literally the amount of time it took to do. So easy. So this is really me just playing with the hair, getting it to my liking, and seeing exactly how I want it to look, playing with the bangs, playing with all of it, and it's coming out really nicely. To pose real fast for the camera because it was just so tea, and I used to run away from bangs, but this just looks so good. But yes, don't be afraid to play with the hair. And what's crazy is, y'all, I promise I didn't put a hot comb to this or nothing. That's why I just feel like they really mastered this, and they can go far with this wig because I didn't do nothing to it. I swear I did not hot comb it. I didn't curl it. This is it straight out of the box. I mean, what? I've never gotten a wig that I literally just had to do nothing to it. Not curl, not bleach, not pluck a little bit. I didn't have to do nothing to this hair. It looks so good. This wig retails for $223. I feel like that's honestly not a bad price, and they're always running different kinds of sales. So I feel like you can get a really good deal on a wig, and you won't even have to go get your hair done because you could do this at home. So another thing that I like about the new constructed wigs is you could do a little updo. So I'm gonna put a little claw clip in the back. I feel like with the bangs, this gives a little something like sexy bed hair, not doing too much school teacher vibe. I think this is so cute. I wanted to show y'all that to show the versatility. You could do a half up, half down. Super cute and super adorable. I love this wig, y'all. I can't talk about it enough. As always, everything will be linked in the description box below. I will make sure that all the details are there for you guys to shop. Major shout out to UNice for sponsoring this video. This wig is phenomenal. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Big ass, I get that. Ooh.